Hello. So we are here in Mega Mall. And we are going to eat a lot of Chinese food.
Yes.
Specifically dim sum yun.
Yeah, dim sum and Chinese shit.
Tuan Tuan has a promo. It's only something. Ayun. Dim sum feast.
Pero the bomb and chicken skin.
It's until August 29. Pwede na kayo pumasok, so no limit. Let's wait na lang for us inside. Mag-warm up na kami. Tara, table for 3 po.
Table for. Welcome to Tuan Tuan.
Bonjour. So dito kami.
So, snow bun, isa muna. Tapos,
Crispy barbecue.
Oo.
Ilan ba yung laman ng isang order?
Ito, dalawa na lang.
Dalawa na lang.
Chicken feet.
Tsaka chicken feet. So that's ano lang appetizer. Okay, sige. While waiting for Ashley,
Muna muna, oh.
mag-appetizer muna kami ng snow bun.
Wala na, ano?
So while waiting for the order, tingnan muna ako dito kasi they have this infographics. Merong what is Cha Anting. It's pronounced as Cha Can Ting. A local eatery in Hong Kong that serves comfort food. So dito nang gawin si Tuan Tuan. Siyempre, is from Hong Kong, so masarap yung ano nila, milk tea. Try mo na. Milk tea na cha.
Hindi ko pa na-try.
Grabe yung Hong Kongers, consume a total of 900 million glasses cups a year. That's a lot. Nagutom na ako. Yung meal ko for today is lunch lang, hindi ako nag-breakfast. Kasi kanina pa yung 11 a.m. Dumating na yung order namin, so we have steamed chicken and something. Steamed chicken and mushroom because it has mushroom. Tapos, sabi mo nga isa lang. And then ito, yung chicken feet. Steamed chicken feet with black bean sauce. Yum, yum, yum. So we ordered for nito because we love chicken feet. Now, let's try the taste. If pasa sa taste buds namin. Akala mo naman meron akong ano. Meron akong taste.
The best.
Wala ba itong dip?
Wala. Malasa na yung sauce.
Yung from other table, meron silang dip.
Tanong mo.
Maya,
Ano
balik.
hot sauce.
Sarap. This is protein kasi chicken.
So good. You need to scoop the sauce.
Is it safe?
It's that good.
Mushroom. Chicken.
Eating the chicken.
Sarap na. It's really made of quality ingredients.
Yes.
Walang rice. Akala ko appetizer lang.
Pork buns po.
Ito na yung snow buns. Thank you.
Complete orders na.
Thank you po.
So good. Now let's try the pork bun. Alam ko may curry pork bun yan.
Roasted siya. Roasted siya.
Alam ko may curry pork bun.
Why is it called snow bun? Because it's white. Not because it's cold. Sarap. Yeah. Marasa. Masarap. Alam niyo pa lang, nakakalima ako nito. Mga
Mamaya pa tayo dito.
50% na yun.
Hanggang midnight snack tayo.
Dito daw kami
Dinhi ako,
until 9 daw sila. So we can
dinhi
stay until
ako
9.
yung favorite nga chicken feet.
Chicken feet. Compared to other Chinese restos. Sarap. First time ko makakain ito. Ganitong bun. So good.
Dapat matry mo yung turnip cake.
Yung turnip cake, one serving lang yun. So mamaya,
Masyado na favorite lang.
mag-complete na ka.
Siguro ini turnip cake, tapos ini.
Okay, now, time to try the chicken feet. Parang manghang siya. May nakita akong chili flakes, hindi ba?
No, it's not.
Chicken feet. Malaki siya for chicken. Siguro malaki chicken ko. Sarap.
I know, right?
Yung first time ko na nakain na chicken sa bahay, yung luto ni mama. Yung pinapakuluan muna, tapos tinatanggal yung skin. Pero maliliit yun. Tapos parang yung laman lang niya is yung sa gitna. Sarap. Actually, medyo mahang siya, spicy. Pero sarap. Iba yung sauce niya sa steamed chicken. What can you say about the food?
So good.
How about you?
I haven't tried it. Hi, babe.
Hi, Ash.
The birthday Leons.
Hello.
Kikis mo na ako kay birthday ko. And I'm gonna
Papa's-
put my bag here.
Sure. We're already eating.
Sarap.
We're warming the table for
Is
you.
this unlimited?
Yeah.
Ooh. How are you guys?
Very good. And we're busy eating.
Sobrang busy mo.
A little bit of life, business. Can I eat this? What is
Ano
that?
naman?
Chicken feet. Snow bun.
Snow-
Hindi ako nakikita. Ngayon na ulit na mag-show sa ano ko
Oh,
eh.
tayo muna dyan. Snow bun.
Sabi ko naman Netherlands.
September.
Do you wanna say something?
I just really want to say happy birthday to Leomar, and I hope you enjoyed your last night escapade. Escapade. I know. We're 38-year-old na, no? 38 years old na tayo.
I don't know. I
And
forgot.
I forgot counting age. And also, happy summer day. So I just came from work, guys, and that's just okay today.
That's it, the band-aid.
It's the nail, it's the skin cut off. So it's so masakit yun, di ba? Di ba guys, pag natanggalan ka ng, look at this. Sakit. Parang mas masakit pa to kaysa heartbreak.
Oh, sige, kain na,
Charot. Ah, sige, kain na tayo. Dami ko na sinasabi.
Maraming eme.
Oh, Adidas. First time ko dito sa 212.
Quality lang mga
Pwede
dun
kami
sa-
yan.
Ito chicken. Oh. Ito
Ano
steamed
to?
feet.
What's this?
Snow bun.
This is the soup. Hi guys. So big. It's
Try
like-
this one.
Okay, parang ang ano niya, bread.
Steamed chicken and mushroom. Masarap yung garlic.
How are you guys? Stand life.
Busy.
Busy.
Work and stop.
Parang sa sopaw.
Para makakain. Sarap ng ginger.
Love it. Hindi ako nag-rice. Hindi na rin ako nag-rice masyado.
Nag-lunch ka, nag-heavy lunch ka. Ako kanina, konti lang.
Nag-McDo, burger lang.
You have to try everything in that.
Perfect. Masarap.
Try mo?
Try ko na. Some people don't eat it. Mga kasama ko sa opisina.
Chicken feet?
So
I'm
sad.
like, this is the best part.
Yeah.
Ayaw nilo.
The collagen is the bomb.
Wala na lang kayo left.
Wala ka din eh.
Wala.
Correct.
Actually, until 9 daw. We can stay until 9.
Closing. Mall closing.
Ang ganda. Chill lang tayo.
Chill lang.
Para naka 100 million tayo.
Oo.
Bawiin na.
Paano mo nasabi na?
So, meron ng steamed shrimp and pork siomai.
Wala.
Ano to? Ito treasure
Kaya siya
dumpling.
na talaga tinira plano.
Mix ng pork and shrimp.
Di ba
Ito.
Anira, alam ko yung arrangement nila ni
Shark's fin. Ano po to?
Ganun lang.
Fried? Fried dumplings. Fried dumplings.
Wait, direct-
Thank you.
May anira kasi. Kaya may potential. Kasi no, kaya may mag-apply dyan.
Tatry.
Ko, iba ako na-open diba?
Guys, try natin yung fried. Si Bax.
Pwede ko yan passport.
May dagan siguro. Bax. May passport ka? Di ba sa ako nag-edit na? Di ba sa ako nag-edit
Di rin
na?
yung nakaka-happy.
Sorry.
The bomb.
Masarap yung fried pork dumpling. I thought dry siya, yung thick yung ano. Ito yung balot. Pero it's not.
Dito sa also nice. Ito medyo magulay.
That's treasure dumpling. Feeling mo ba ano siya talaga? Fit for the name treasure. It's a mix of pork and shrimp.
Let's try. Siguro sanay kita, right?
Yeah. Eat ano natin kung ano yung masarap para pag mag-order tayo,
Okay.
yun. So crunchy.
Kailan ka mga makatuhad na dala? Office ba? 4.
Pork, shrimp, siomai.
Maghanap ka dun
Nagbabambol. Kung pwede makalapat.
Good luck. You can do it.
Uy, doon ka na nag-edit. Grabe ka.
Hindi na. Because it consumes time.
I-mute mo na lang.
Stop.
Masarap. Masarap to.
Ang sarap ang fried.
Masarap, di ba?
Where?
Akala ko dry.
This one?
Stop fried. Stop.
Dito muna ako sa steam.
Masarap din to. I-rate natin kung over 10.
I'm gonna rate each one.
Sige. Pag matapos na natin lahat.
Matapos ka dyan. Nanamnamin ko lang. Which is which?
Let's slow down mga B.
House na wala.
What is... What's that?
Wala pa bago-bago.
Walang sa buhay natin. Ako ano?
Yung dalawang order pala yung ano naman dumpling. So, lumating ulit yung National Treasure Dumpling. Pork shumai, our favorite. And
Pwede
shark's
pa
fin.
huwayan eh.
There's no rest for me. There is no rest for this.
Post mo na ako. Ayun, I'm just... Malay mo naman, meron tayo.
Masarap siguro to pag mainit.
Si Tatay Digong na lang.
Kanin mo. Tapusa.
Tatay Digong.
Top. Makapal lang yung balot niya.
For, ano?
Ako, nung Saturday nag-Sibiuli kami. Tapos kahapon nag-Viking sa Sina.
Nag-view ka mo.
So So dumating namin yung, ano to, house tea.
Maganda sa view kasi may
We ordered this para pang ano siya, pang tanggal ng umay. At saka gusto daw nila ng healthy drink.
Ako naman, aside, syempre hindi ko here.
So to kill our boredom while waiting when looking for a suitable partner, what are your 4 categories? And then you have to rate it 1 to 10. Kung ano yung number na acceptable sa'yo.
Sige. So first for me is personal ko lang naman na preference to. Kaya to those na who thinks otherwise, I don't care. Okay, so for me personally, number 1 would be financial stability or economic stability. For me, I'd rate it as 5 or 6 over 10. So, important siya. It's not the most important thing, but for me, important siya kasi I'm very independent. Like, personally, I handle all my finances, all my needs, through parang I support myself.
Kailangan ilibre, pero
Oo, parang hindi pa libre lagi. Hindi, ibig sabihin, parang someone who's independent and not dependent economically or financially with other people.
Okay.
Yeah, so because that says a lot about your personality too.
Yes.
Second for me is yung physical, like yung sa health, kailangan siya nagsa-strive, again emphasis on strive to be healthy, 'di ba? And also hygiene. So yung dalawa, I would like lump it into one category. For me is like 8 over 10. Kasi for me yung health kasi I'm also struggling to be healthy all the time. But also like hygiene,
So
parang
positive influence.
oo, kasi it being healthy affects you mentally as well, how you live your life, how you get along with other people. So everything that you parang when you make your self physically healthy, that also translate to a healthy being a healthy like mindset individual. So important sa akin yun. Tsaka I wanna live long to enjoy life with my partner. Kaya dapat pareho kaming healthy. Okay, my next one would be yung sa in terms of like itsura or like hindi naman look. Basta for me, hindi naman necessarily ka lang gwapo, but it should be pleasing personality. Medyo subjective kasi yung attraction eh. So, I think overall like pleasant looking lang. Kung gwapo, syempre bonus na lang yun. But I would rate this like siguro mga 6 or 7 over 10.
Okay.
And then lastly would be dapat nag-a-align kami sa moral values, or yung personality doesn't have to be the same. Like I could be including political views. Like I said earlier, kasi ni-repeat ko na lang to, hindi nila ni-record eh. So I'm basically repeating everything that I said passionately earlier. So for me, yung mga political views mo, that there are underlying moral values or core values kung bakit mo pinipili yung mga ganong political beliefs. So for me, kahit magkaiba yung personality namin, like for example, outgoing siya or introvert or whatever, tas magkaiba yung gusto namin, but yung moral values or core values that we believe in should be aligned. Like how we view the importance of family, sa religion, whatever, etc. It doesn't have to be the same religion, but we respect having a religion or believing in something, but that goes with moral values then. So that's it. Thank you for that question.
Okay, ang dami niyang sinabi. Did you record that? Okay. So before that, I'm gonna drink my tea. So init pa.
Partner. We will release it this week.
Oh my God! When is gonna be?
Tapos na pala.
Sige. Yeah, this is for the record, no? Bakit 4 lang? Bakit hindi 5? Okay. Ako naman, to be honest, yung ideal man ko kasi, talagang yung lolo ko,
Side, which side?
father side, everything.
Intro pa lang.
Intro pa lang. Meaning, growing up, I really looked up to him. Kasi siya yung parang siya yung man figure. Oo. Kasi pag sinasabing, ay, si Ashley, apo yan ni ganyan. Di ba, meron akong lolo na judge. So parang, talagang sabi ko, big deal talaga yung ganyang klaseng man or a person. So, unang-una, sa listahan ko, based lang ito sa experiences ko rin ha, and being me, coming into a woman that I am today. Oh.
Yummy.
Number 1, smart conversational.
Smart conversation.
Meaning, I really want someone na makakausap ko. Pagising ko, what's the weather today? Oh.
Alexa.
Alexa. So I think, bili na lang ako ng Alexa, no? Kasi makakausap ko naman siya. Hindi, feeling, dapat kami, we meet, magka-wavelength kami. For me, yun talaga, na parang, someone you can really talk to, hindi yung
Taas ng standard.
kumain ka na, tapos ng usapan nyo. Saan ka punta, tapos parang ayoko ng masyadong mechanical conversation.
Gusto niyo may pakmis, may pakmis.
May trivia, may twist, may sexiness, may plot twist. Gusto ko na to challenge ako. It helps kasi na hindi maging boring, di ba? Na parang ito-challenge ka niya on something. Every day, 1+1, ganun.
Kuya Kim.
Alam nyo ba? Okay. So, gets na naman yung point, diba? Did you know? Number 2.
Wait lang.
Number 2, dapat goal-oriented.
Wow.
May goal hiya. I mean, sinabi nga, diba, dapat
Anong rating mo sa smart
Oh, smart.
conversational? Dapat,
Important.
dapat at least 8
Over
over
10.
10.
Still.
9.9 over 10.
Wow, taas.
Taas, girl. Mataas ang standard. For me lang naman to. Wala naman akong sinasabing dapat ganun din kayo. It's just me. Eh. Goal-oriented, meaning dapat, for me, leader siya. Goal-oriented, meron siyang vision. Pero, in the same way, dapat nagli-lead din siya sa relationship. Alam naman natin, girls, that sometimes,
Smart, specific.
Smart lang first.
tapos na, di ba? Number 2 na tayo.
Motivation.
Ay, sorry.
Number 2 na tayo. Meaning, goal-oriented, meron siyang ambition. Hindi naman natin sinasabing mataas. Meron siyang gustong gawin sa buhay niya. May direction siya. In a way na, dito na rin pumapasok yung dapat leader ka. Kasi between man and woman, tayo mga girls, gusto natin, in a way, nililid din tayo. Hindi naman ibig sabihin na under tayo. Meaning, where is this going, di ba? Where is this going? Ano bang, parang may gano'n lang ako nafe-feel. Tapos,
You want the guy to lead.
responsible, gano'n. Tumapasok na rin dito yung dapat hardworking ka as a person. Meaning, yung parang sa'yo na sinasabi mong walang work ng 1 year. I mean, basta goal-oriented, may direction.
Wala yung specific na
Oh, wala naman. Basta may goal siya sa buhay, hindi yung paurong. Oh.
9 over 10 din.
Ano yun? Siguro, naman, mga 8.5 over 10. Kasi hindi naman forever, minsan kailangang huminga-hinga rin. Mga 2 months lang, walang work. Joke. 8.5. Kumbaga, pwede na.
1 year pero may billion
Ay, sure.
savings account.
Hindi, dapat meron ka talagang ginagawa sa buhay mo. Kasi yung goal, hindi naman work lang na may kita. Meaning may goal ka sa sarili mo. Mag-aaral ka ba para matuto ka today, tomorrow? Charot. Okay. And number 3, pleasant looking. Pleasant looking. Sa standards ko.
Define pleasant.
Mabango tingnan.
Kaya hygiene, di ba?
Mabango tingnan. Tapos, naliligo ng twice a day.
Hindi naman kailangan tayo sa ding for
Ako dapat.
Oo.
I mean, he knows how to take care of himself. Ganon. Basta, yeah. Okay. Yung rating nito, sige mga ano na, sabihin na natin 8.4. 4. Kasi sometimes, di ba, ano naman tayo, forgiving, kung minsan nakatulog during the whole day kasi may ginawa kami. Charot. Ano, hiking, gano'n, nag-jogging. Tapos, I think the last, for me, yung last na out of 4, active, healthy. Active. Parang ayoko ng yung kumakain ng moving his body, active, healthy. So that's actually a 10.
Ayaw mo kumakain ng...
Ng mga taba. Sana hindi siya ganun. Okay lang yung cheat day, pero 10 siya kasi if you're healthy together, magiging okay yung mindset, magiging okay ang relationship ninyo kasi di kayo stress, di ba? So that's the top 4. Kung meron mang nawawala dito,
Meron pa siya minor.
wala na.
Kasi may nagpayawal ka.
Siguro
So itong bonus.
kung may bonus, sana romantic siya. Meaning, marunong siyang magpakilig sa akin. Kasi ganun tayong girls. Dapat talaga, baya't maya pinapakilig tayo. Alam nyo na yan, hindi yung tipong manguhula ba kami kung mahal mo pa kami or hindi na. Kasi kaming girls, nurturing kami. We know naman how to take care. Pero sana romantic naman siya. Pero 7 lang to, 7. Kasi meron tayong mga bonus na lang siya.
Not necessarily like romantic or sweet talker, pero expressive. Diba? Yung parang...
Expressive na lang din.
Oo.
Okay, thank you. Grabe 12 minutes
Hindi
yung
ko lang nakuha yung term.
12 minutes yung exposure niyo.
Pili ko ka-annoyed nera. Ay, na ako na rin. Design.
Another round, we have, beef wonton. Shrimp, Hong Kong shrimp wonton noodle soup. Wala pala tayong spoon.
May da! Yung gamit mo kasi.
Kumauli yan, dream sa January. Kasi ganito, ano ko sa naayang, ganyan ko na lang ako ng friend. Sabi ko, ano plan? Gusto ko na kasi kukuha ko ng iya. Ang sudin kayo? Lumay na ako to.
Oo nga.
Tulong. Ano sa dindugin, balik lahat ako kasi may asma yan na. Pero lately, hindi niya kaniya nga. Parang pag medyo okay na siya na, wow. Nasasana ko kasi siyempre napamahal sa akin yung kaso nito. Siyempre, ako rin naman.
She looks
Kongchi.
nicer.
This is Kongchi.
She looks nicer nowadays.
Okay. Yes po. Thank you. Nag-order pa kami nito, 2 pieces ng snow bun.
I am a forward. Okay, excited na ako ng Demon Slayer, bish.
We will watch next week
So, 3 parts ang last.
until 2029.
3 parts. Tingin mo yun first.
Masarap yung Kongchi.
Gusto ko magpaka.
I mean, yung lugaw mismo, kahit wala siya masyadong laman. It's good. Although hindi ako mahilig sa lugaw. Pero hindi ko siya mauubos, pero masarapan ako sa kanya.
Tapos siya,
That's sherbet.
Narinig ko lagi sa mga
Dessert siya.
dessert. Yeah.
Sa kind of dessert meal.
Rice kasi ito. Pero
Oo, kayo.
natikman ko yung century.
Snow bun. This is my favorite.
I think it.
Pero lang, kasi hindi siya nakakasawa.
Kaya siya show.
Are we done na?
it's gonna be after her, tapos we can go walk-walk na.
So we are done na and That's it. Super busog na kami. Ay, yung mga natira lang is yung turnip. Hindi namin alam na per serving pala is at 6 yung laman. So yung sa akin naubos ko, yung sa kanila hindi. Because they are weak. So that's our one-to-one experience. Maganda yung place. Next is maglalakad-lakad kami sa Mega Mall. Then maghahanap ng dessert. It's the same.
Let's go.
We have our dessert na. That's mango
The
grapes.
perfect combination. This is perfect. Perfect. May grapes naman. Green naman ito, pistachio.
Wala kasing matcha na.
Wala pala kung
How about Leoba?
Thank you.
Your order is right. Lalo na ako.
Love ka niya.
Because I repeated it several times.
So dessert na kami after mag-tuan-tuan to get rid of
The umay.
the umay. And Ashley actually has
Something to say
about yogurt. You mentioned earlier.
Because you know, I've read somewhere that after 8 p.m. you can actually eat popcorn, nuts, yogurt, berries. So I have berries here, but it's grapes actually. Then dark chocolate. Imagine that after 8 p.m. those, you know, items or food you can eat. Basta huwag ka na masyadong mag-fatty-fatty, huwag ka na mga salty, huwag ka na masyadong sugary. Yogurt naman is healthy for your gut.
So that's it. Dessert na kami. Until next vlog.
Birthday, Omar.
Thank you.